Look at that. It's so clean. They helped. Hi there guys, welcome to today's Captain's Blog. It's now 16:29 hours on June 13th, 2020, and the boat is clean. It hasn't been pressure washed yet. Dear God knows what'll happen when I do that. But we got all the gunge out of it. It's pretty clean. And we removed yet more stuff. Mitch came out with Katie and they helped and got that cut off and removed a bunch of stuff. It was cool. We got under here all cleaned out. That was fun down there in the steering room. I disconnected all the steerage controls, like all that. The rudder's just hanging back there. You can see it. That's the rudder right there. You can see the shaft for it. We got all the insulation out in there, and there's a lot of weak spots, and there's a lot of fucking rust. So it's pretty gross. I definitely want to pressure wash in here. That'll probably happen pretty quick. We got all the seacocks out. Mitch did that. Thank you, Mitch. All but one. And that one needs the valve is still here on this one. I got to get a big ass pipe wrench. So I gotta put that on the list. I need a big ass pipe wrench. And that's going to come out in the next couple days. So Blackwater is taken care of. And I got to get a little fuel pump and talk to Joey. So that's the day. You guys have fun. We'll be back with more soon.